She's the girl you never saw.
Sorry, late kami mga bro. Anyway, meet Mandy.
Hi, I'm Mandy.
O nga pala, best friend ko si Kat. I'd like you to meet Mandy.
Hi! Nice to meet you.
She's the girl you never heard.
Tarzan na Tarzan ka talaga. Yung mga tulad mo sa mga babae, parang baging. Kakapitan mo, hawakan mo, tapos ibitawan mo kapag may bago na, yun ka.
She's the girl you never wanted.
Problema sa'yo, dahil mo pa ang pare pag sinisermonan ako. Mabuti na talaga hindi ko naging girlfriend. Otherwise, iniwang kita.
Until someone else did.
So I met this girl. I can't keep her off my mind. I don't know her name. I don't have her number. The only thing I managed to get was this video. I need your help to find this girl.
Alam mo, naka 1 million hits ka na sa YouTube. Kung gusto talaga magpahanap ng babaeng yun, edi sana matagal mo na siyang nakita.
Watch out, girl in the rain. I'm not stopping till I find you.
Baka mamaya, kaya mo date yung David na yan kasi nag-e-enjoy ka sa pagiging hilaw na girlfriend ni Waki. Hi.
So is it about me? Huh?
Oo, ikaw. Ikaw ang dahilan ng lahat. Kasi di ba sa'yo umiikot ang mundo ko?
It's not them who's wrong for you. You are wrong for them.
On its 20th anniversary, Star Cinema proudly brings a story that will make you appreciate what you have before it becomes what you had.
Nakikipag-date lang siya. Sabi hindi na ako pinapansin. Mahal mo si Kat. Ano naman labang ko dun sa pinagagawa ng batang yun, di ba? You have to do something. I don't want to lose you.
She's the One. October 16 in cinemas.